I'm Marna, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm standing here in a nightshirt that was sent to me by Let's Talk About It with Jamie as a Happy Mail. Isn't this cute? This is her thing, her little, I don't even know how to do it. She does the little heart with the hand. Today is Jamie's birthday. Happy birthday, Jamie, and many, many, many more. And she has set up a challenge along with Ella Avar and Creative 404 for everyone to set up a overnight or slumber party scene. And so I made PJs for my Laurel doll in the colors that she loves. Darren printed this cute little bedpost. I covered it with bright colors that Laurel loves, with the top cover and the little pillows for a pop of color. And this is my contribution. Okay, I picked out my colors, or my fabric, that I want to use for Laurel. And I bought these fat quarters. Walmart had them. Oh, I still got some sticky on there. I'll either work around it or pull it off. Walmart had these for 25 cents a piece. And they had a bunch of different colors. There was some green and etc. But I want to use the orange and yellow because it matches her hair and they're the colors she loves. So what I'm going to do is, this is going to be the bedding, and this is going to be the PJs. And if you don't know about Chelly Wood's free patterns, these are great. And I need a quick and easy pattern. So I went and got this, made for a 10-inch doll. It shows different 10-inch dolls and how it fits them, so that if you need to make adjustments, you can. Like this one needs to be shortened, and it says right here. Anyway, so I'm using this for the shirt. I think I'm going to go with long sleeves and long pants. When I get Chelly Wood's patterns, I get 2 copies so that I can cut one out and keep one together, so I have all the instructions and everything. I keep them in a notebook, Rainbow High on this side and my 17-inch Barbie on that side. And I've got the one cut out and ready to go. And then I have a pair of Barbie pants that I have made before. Usually I write the pattern number on here, and for some reason I did not on these. And what I know is these will fit her around everywhere, because these will fit my curvy Barbie, but they need to be shorter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this pattern up just a little bit, and then I'm going to draw around it, write Rainbow High Doll on here, and this is going to be her bottoms to her PJs. Okay, I'm going to make her some matching slippers. I have her PJs cut out, and I have her bed fabric picked out. I love her hair, this orange and yellow and hot pink and red. Oh, I absolutely love this hair. So of course I'm matching it in the Rainbow Highway. First thing I wanted to show you is when Darren prints these shoes on the 3D printer, there is a stabilizer bar that prints down on it. And what you do is you just cut that out. And Darren's kind of particular, and he actually sands that a little bit. I am not going to do that, but I'm going to cut each one of these out. It's very quick, very easy. I love these things because you can make all kinds of shoes. We're going to do a slipper. Let's get this. There is a right and a left, as you can see. Love these shoes. We're going to take the hot glue gun, get my glasses, make sure the shiny side is up. I hot glue that to the bottom. I actually measure it on the foot where I want it to come out. I give it extra length for the hot glue. These are so easy. And I do that this way. You do not have to if you are afraid of getting this on your doll. I do this on the foot. Oh, I got that a little long. Let's clip that down a little bit. Oh, of course, I don't have great scissors. Ah. Okay. And then I put the hot glue down, pull the ribbon tight and tuck that, pushing it up into the first round. Now, something that I've been seeing on doll shoes, I'm going to start doing because I have lost some shoes, these little mules, is rubber band around the ankle, once around here, and then back up over the foot. Oh, look at that. I've got hot glue gun stuck in there. Oh, I'm such a mess with that stuff. All right, let me pick that off and do the other shoe. Okay, I am cutting my top blanket for my bed. I'm trying to decide how much room I want from here to here because the headboards are going to be there and I don't want too much extra fabric. But I wanted to show you what I'm getting ready to do here, and that is put my this is going to be my mattress, if you will. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue these two together. I cut a piece of fabric oversize, and once I get my two pieces of cardboard glued together, I'm going to glue this ever so tightly around this so that my mattress looks like this. Oh, look at that. I got that right in the middle of it. I got to get that off. I took two pieces of cardboard box we had, and I asked Darren to cut it because I don't have patience and I'm heavy-handed and I just should not use box cutters. And I took this fabric to make the mattress bed frame, and I took a whole lot of, I mean like a half a bottle of craft glue. It's on my Walmart list now. And I slathered it on between the two pieces of cardboard. And then I overcut, as you can see, this piece of fabric and slathered it and way out to the corners. I mean, I slathered this. And I pulled and stretched and had that down just right, as you can see. And I made it all correct here. And I took a magazine that is slicked pages. As you can see, I used a few pages as I was working. And the idea was that the glue would not stick to this, nor would it stick to the wax paper that I put over it, so that I could put these boards over that and make it nice and flat and firm. Well, that was all good and you know, good planning. And I kept moving it ever so often, like every 15 minutes to a half hour, I'd move this so that it, you know, you can see, so that it wouldn't stick. And by moving it, it pulled it free and kept everything off, except when I sat down to watch Bridgerton, and I told Darren, when this show's over, I really need to go move my mattress. Well, then we rolled the show, and some of the magazine came off on it. So there you go. That's what I've got. I have one more piece of this, but for what I'm doing, it's going to be covered anyway. Breaks my heart, but the show must go on. So we made this as wide as this little bed frame. Darren 3D printed these. These aren't these 18-inch doll model pattern?
It was originally a Barbie.
Barbie, okay, so he resized this. The idea was going to be that he was going to take these rectangles out and put holes that are circles. He was going to put, you know, a few across here and, of course, at the end. Well, Darren has been working more than overtime, 7 days a week, and we have what we have. So what I'm thinking I'm going to do, I'm going to try this the first way, and if that doesn't work, I have another idea, you know me and my ideas, and put this frame together with this bed. This is for a Rainbow High doll, but I made it a little large so that my Blythe could use it on another occasion. Okay, I'm taking a wet wipe and I'm getting the magazine off. It's coming off, yay! But let me show you what I'm noticing, and I need to be very careful with this fabric, and next time I use it, I need to wash it before I put it on my dolls, and that's what will come off on your doll if you dress it in a fabric that will fade, usually black, and haven't washed it yet. Darren cut the clothes hangers, and we're going to put these so that they are upright, pulling the top, rather than downward pulling the bottom. That was my idea. Darren wasn't keen on it. Let's see if I can get this together.
It's going to take two of us.
It's going to take two of us. We'll be right back. Here's all of Laurel's favorite colors on her bed, and she has her big teddy bear ready to snuggle in. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. I hope you go watch every single Slumber Party Happy Birthday Jamie video today. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.